back now, way back in time to find Chip Wood's great-great-grandfather, Jebediah Wood, as he opens his first store.
Welcome to Horseshoe Discounters, sir.
You're new in these parts, ain't you?
Yes, sir. I sell horseshoes. Let's have a look.
Son, don't touch a horse, boy. That farm's a feisty beast.
Yeah, it's okay. He knows I'm here to help. Oh, yeah. See here how the shoe's not really seated right on the hoof?
Well, I never really looked.
Yeah, see, if the shoe's not aligned just right, that can lead to uneven hoof wear.
You talk kind of funny, boy, but what you say makes sense. Jebediah Wood, if I let you put new shoes on Heckfire, would you do a good job? See, I'm right partial to this here horse.
Sir, I will not only align the shoes properly, but every time you pass through these parts, I'll rotate and balance your horseshoes at no charge.
Sounds to me like everything's included, including alignment. Whatever the heck that is. Got kind of a ring to it, though.
And to this day, the Wood family runs the only tire store that gets you out the door with more.